The secret to accelerated growth is growth loops. And whether you did that in 2012, you were Marketo, whether you do that in 2026 because you're Cursor, the functional reason behind it is growth loops. What is a growth loop? It's an output generating an input. This is a sophisticated topic, and I'm excited to share this with you today. Understand that I recommend highly that at this point in time you start looking at growth architecture as a course, because at this point in time we're going to go get in pretty deep on things. Okay. Can we grow faster? In the previous episode, what we were speaking about is improving the throughput, doing better. But what if we grow faster? What if we have a knob that we could turn, a K factor, a feedback loop, an amplifier? That is the topic of today. What we notice when we run analysis, where we say, hey, this out per customer or per 10 users, we generate one new lead, or every month across 100 users, one lead is generated. When we use metrics like that, we create a feedback loop, a loop that creates an output turning into an input. Now, when we start turning that loop up, for example, we do not use a growth loop, we see subtly when we start using a growth loop that the system becomes highly sensitive to this, super sensitive. Now remember, we did in the previous episode, we really worked on the throughput improvement. It is key that the growth loops follow doing better and the throughput before we're growing smarter. Because if we do not have the operation under control and we then start creating growth loops, we can amplify the wrong behavior as much as we amplify the right behavior. This is the reason why we sequence it in this way. Now, you also may recall from an earlier episode that takeoff speed was so important. Remember, get into the river, and the faster the river flows, the faster you take off. And this takeoff said, whoever goes in first wins first. What you notice here is how important the K factor, the growth loops are, in order to reduce your takeoff speed. This can be by months. So for example, think of your favorite AI native company. The first one is already way ahead of all the others that are coming. Now today, we are looking at 5 first order priority loops. There's plenty more, but what we are looking at is just a few of them in order to get the understanding going. These, we refer to them as first order because they have many others that spun off of these. These 5 order growth loops are word of mouth. Word of mouth, as you see up on the bow tie there, the reflection of how a growth recurring revenue business works. Word of mouth really works well in the domain of leads. A lead talks about spreads the word. They have not experienced the product yet. They just experienced the story, the brand name. They talk about it. Often this is like crowd building. This is social, becoming an influencer, the mindset that you are ahead of a product. Second growth loop is the education growth loop. Here's where I'm starting to spread, why I spread education. This often is in the opportunity domain. I am now seeing opportunities, and people starting to educate each other on this. Third one is advocacy. Advocacy is based on proper usage. Where word of mouth has not experienced the product, advocates have experienced the product. They have tasted it and they want to share it with the world. Retention is a company coming back for more. They liked it so much, they want another year or another cycle or another batch of consumption. And then lastly, expansion is when they don't want to buy the same thing, but they want to buy more of the same, like more seats, new products, and so on and so forth. This allows us to look at education, and I have to explain to you is this understanding of growth loops is rapidly evolving, and it allows us to take a deep insight. How does it exactly work? For example, that education loop has 2 kinds. One uses external energy, nurturing, campaigns, marketing tools, and so on and so forth. Even using sales development reps. Nurturing is when we, the seller, deploy energy and apply that. Nurturing can also happen internally. It has a growth loop of itself. Internal energy. Think of communities. Think of doing joint dinners at local events and whatnot. That is internal energy. Similarly, we have two kinds of growth, new kinds of growth, wherein which one preserves energy and the other amplifies energy. And why is that? I was struggling. I didn't know, is retention actually a growth loop? Because to me, it cannot go over 100%. So how can it be a growth loop if it doesn't go over 100%? What I learned is that you can also have a growth loop that preserves growth. We all know, or hopefully, that expansion and retention combined form net growth, right? And net growth is what we're looking at. And so the more we preserve, the more our expansion counts towards actual growth. Therefore, there's two kinds of growth. A growth loop that preserves growth, retention, and a growth loop that amplifies growth. Now, if I combine that with that I have external energy and internal energy, I start to learn that growth loops work different. They have different characteristics. That's the idea where I want to go to, right? Because when I look at these 5 growth loops, they all have a little bit of different behavior. They're not all the same. This means that we now have our set of first order growth loops. There's an order to these growth loops. There's an order, a sequence. So for example, look, I cannot start with expansion if I have $0 million. So there needs to be an order. What is the order and what is the right order of growth loops? Why does a certain growth loop need to become before another growth loop? What we know and learned is that in generally the growth loop always works for this. First, you want to create velocity, word of mouth, go, 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 go. Then you may have acquired a lot of growth, and a lot of that may not have been actually that valuable. It may just be word of mouth. People signed up but never really logged in. They just wanted to be part of the in-crowd. Second stage, stabilize that growth. Now we're going to work on retention and expansion. And third, make it compound. Expansion, expansion, expansion. So there's a certain sequence to this. This is not because we believe it. This is because what we have analyzed is all successful companies go through that. If you look at AI natives today, they are in the velocity stage. And as you will learn, we are supposed to be with a bunch of the SaaS companies in the compound stage, but they haven't even stabilized their velocity yet. They're still trying to get all that under control, which is one of the reasons why we see SaaS natives to be in such trouble today. Can we grow faster? Folks, the answer is undeniably, companies can grow faster, but in order to do that, they have to use growth loops. I showed you today the 5 first order growth loops. There are plenty more, but the understanding that these growth loops have certain requirements, work in certain orders, apply to certain businesses differently, all that requires a deep understanding from growth loops. Now we start to lay of the land. We know what the laws are. The laws are following the S-curve. The engine, what we learned from the engine was that it was input, output, or throughput. We put that in a factory in 3 different GTM motions. In this case, enterprise, SMB, and pro user. We then learned to click on all of them and go like, hey, this machine works as follows. Small things, repeated over frequency and time, huge impact. Okay, maybe I should focus on small changes, not big changes. Then we learned in episode 5 about the constraints. Where are the constraints in the systems? And then in 6, we learned like, my gosh, here we can amplify it. Now, if the system works correctly, like what we did in episode 5, now we can amplify using loops that we can use AI for very effectively. This sets us up for the next episode in which we are going to plan for growth. With that said, looking forward to see you out there in episode number 7.